What's good, guys? Told you guys I'm gonna be putting up some videos through my time here in Orlando, and again, we're welcome back to another Mount Vernon Kid tries. Yeah, it's been a while since I did one of those, right? And what a time to do it, because I got something that I have never tried before, ever, and it's Church's chicken. I saw there was a Church's chicken in Orlando, so I was like, all right, let me try this. So I've never had Church's chicken. There is no Church's chicken in New York. I believe there was one, and it closed down in the city. So I thought I'd try it. I got the biscuits, which I've heard are really good, and I got some baked mac and cheese, and I got a 4-piece. So we're gonna definitely try these. So you could ta-da, look nice, right? It's 4 pieces of chicken in there. There's a breast, a thigh, drumstick, and a leg. So I think we're gonna start with let's start with their mac and cheese first. See, mac and cheese, baked mac and cheese. Most of the time from these chicken places, their mac and cheese is subpar. Smells good. You could see little, like, I guess you could tell it's been baked because it's got a little golden crust. But let's check it out. Okay, let me try that again. You get the cheddar, definitely hitting that cheddar. I definitely feel that. It still kind of just feels like it's just like the mac and cheese that you get from any other place, whether it's Popeyes, KFC. It was okay. It's good, but it's not bad. It's nice and warm. I like it. It's cool. Yep. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's try the chicken, because it is chicken. So I'm just gonna try the drumstick. Not my favorite part of the chicken. I'm a breast man. Sorry. But let's try the chicken. So I've had Popeyes, of course. Popeyes is all over New York. KFC all over New York. But Church's is not. So let's just give it a try. And I've eaten, forget one more. I love Jollibee's. Jollibee's is in New York. So yes, let's see what this tastes like. Go in for another bite, get another assessment. Okay. Nice crunch. I like the batter. It's not as seasoned, but the chicken is good. It's tender. But it's not better than Popeyes. I will say that. It feels to be almost on that same cusp of KFC, if you know what I mean. It's not up there with Jollibee's, but it's still good. Yeah, I'm going to finish it. Not bad. Now, the biscuits. That's what everybody says is where it really comes down to, because they glaze it up with some honey butter. Let's do this. Fuck. God damn it. I tasted the honey butter instantly. That is good. I love that. That is, yes. Yes. I'm gonna go to the hotel gym tomorrow and work this off, but yeah, we got a winner with this. The biscuits, definitely. So, if I'm rating them, okay. Biscuit, A+. That's why I got more. Mac and cheese, passing grade, C. And as for the chicken, B-. It's good, but I can see why it's not as good as the others that I have access to in New York, which is KFC, which I don't really go to as much anymore, but Popeyes and Jollibee's. So the chicken, the biscuits, and the mac and cheese. They're good. I'm gonna finish this. Don't even sweat it. But another try for me. That was good. That was good. I haven't done a try video in a while, so it was fun to do this. And being that I'm in an area where I can get access to some things that I've never had, I always wanted to try Church's chicken, and I have. Them fucking hell, that biscuit was good. I got 3 extra ones. I usually shouldn't be eating bread because bread makes you fat, but you know, I'll work it off. But in the meantime, yeah, man, that was damn good. Them honey butter biscuits, they're like, I guess you could say they're like Red Lobster's cheddar biscuits. Like, those shits is good. So yeah, very good indeed. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys next time. I'm going to finish the rest of this. But, yeah, not bad at all. Church's chicken.